Boss Idol,
Chief.
kumusta?
Good morning,
attorney.
Okay, so as the legal advisor of Santa Babies, ito ang aming mga demands.
Here you go.
Itong Witness Protection Program, included talaga to sa mabibigyan naming privileges sa kanila. As long as nagkakaintindihan tayo na magbibigay sila ng impormasyon tungkol sa corruption dito sa Calabari.
Oo naman, Chief. But before we get there, kailangan muna namin yung second request namin.
Non-prosecution agreement. Kailangan ko pang ipaliwanag to sa prosecutor's office. At kailangan natin maghintay ng approval nila.
Okay. Well, willing to wait naman kami, Chief. Pero habang wala pa tayong black and white na usapan, just so you know, wala kaming ibibigay na kahit anong information.
Naiintindihan ko, Boss Idol.